Lesson 5. Determining timeframes.
First, we need to determine the time frame for the VSMART Go course on the 6 steps to establish a valuable life, including the preparation period and the actual time we will spend on the operation. Why is the preparation period important? Because if we want to prepare for an entire year and keep ourselves busy without taking time to think, immersing ourselves in tasks, then every month and every day, we sit and worry, thinking about how to attract customers, how to improve our products and services, how to ensure customers staying at our hotel will promote it further, introduce it to others, and give us good feedback. If we keep repeating these questions daily, it becomes essential to dedicate a specific period to think through and solve all these issues and challenges related to operations and customer attraction before we dive in to execute the plan for the entire year or even longer.
Follow the channel to see more useful content coming up.